They tell you all the time what to do, what to think, what to feel. You want to be like a cheap? I learn. I watch the guys like Humphrey Bogart, James Cagney. I like those guys. I always know one day I'm coming here. This is paradise, I'm telling you. You'll be happy. This town like a great big pussy, just waiting to get fucked. The world, Chico, and everything in it. This country, you gotta make the money first. Look at that. Hey, Frank, you a piece of shit, fucking cockroach. Come on. Make way for the fat guy. There's a fat guy coming through. Better get out of his way. So long, man. Have a good trip.